Good morning, sir. I'm Onek Ibigahis from CE1C, and welcome to my food blog. Uh, this start, sir, na ako'y gata, sir. Kaning gata, sir, is ako sa mga benefits atong kalawasan. Nani si jay protein, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, og zinc. And we have apple food, sir. Apple, sir, is nako po ni makatabang sa itong kalawasan na po ni vitamin C o fiber o makaan sa itong utak healthy, and that's all, sir. And we have the egg is very important to people, because it the egg is big benefits of all body, because the egg is we have a healthy cholesterol and protein and growth bone and your body weight. And that's all, sir. Thank you. Good day, sir. I am Juan Michael Vicahis from CE1C, and this is my food for lunch. And this start, sir. I have a fish. Fish is rich in calcium and a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. And I have a papaya. Papaya is anti-cancer effects and anti-inflammatory properties. And I have a water. Water, this is a keep a normal temperature, protect your spinal cord and other sensitive tissues, and get rid of waste through urination, perspiration, and bowel movements. Lubricate and cushion pains. And that's all, sir. Thank you. Sir, I am on Michael guys from CE1C, and this is my food dinner. And let's start, sir. And I have a eggplant, sir. Eggplant, sir, is a great source of vitamins and minerals. Papaya, sir. Papaya is anti-cancer effects and anti-inflammatory properties. And I have a water, sir. Water is keep a normal temperature and protect your spinal cord and other sensitive tissues, and get rid of stress through urination and preparation and bowel movements. And that's all, sir. Thank you.